As I was doing some research for my German history series, I stumbled upon an interesting story about a celebrated American figure who was awarded one of Nazi Germany's highest honors, the Grand Cross of the German Eagle. This award was created by Adolf Hitler in 1937 and was meant to recognize foreign individuals who supported the Third Reich's political, military, and cultural goals. The list of honorees is quite exclusive, only including names like Francisco Franco, Miklos Horthy, Il Duce Benito Mussolini, and, drumroll please, Henry Ford. Now, you might know Henry Ford as the guy who founded the Ford Motor Company and gave Americans the iconic Model A and Model T. He's also credited with revolutionizing the automobile industry with his assembly line production, making cars more affordable for millions of Americans. But here's something you might not know. Ford was also a raging anti-Semite. In fact, Ford financially supported the Nazi Party from the start, helping Hitler rise to power in Germany. And as Hitler consolidated his power, he rewarded Ford with the Grand Cross of the German Eagle. The official reason? Making motor cars available for the masses. The real reason? Ford opened an assembly plant in Berlin that supplied thousands of trucks to the rapidly growing German army. Now, some of the other notable figures in this list, like Benito Mussolini, had to personally make the trip to Berlin to receive their awards. But not Henry Ford. He got his award the American way, delivered right to his doorstep, along with a personal message from the Führer himself. But Ford was definitely not the only one. Other powerful and famous figures like aviator Charles Lindbergh and IBM leader Thomas J. Watson supported the Nazi Party, as so did 25,000 members of the German-American Bund. The Bund was a pro-Nazi American organization that gained momentum in the 1930s. They held rallies and marches, including one in New York City in 1939 that attracted thousands of participants. This organization was eventually shut down by the US government in 1941 after America entered the war. Do you think the Allies would have still been victorious in World War II with a Nazi America? Thank you, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.